Alright, here we are, NY Tyrant Hunter, about to do a First Amendment audit on just-in-time auto. There's one of their buildings over here. Rather nice, actually. They sell used cars. That's a nice one right there. That's a nice one. Nobody wants too much for that though. 7,800, that's a lot. Oh, there's some guys. There's some guys. Pretty nice little building. Looks pretty cool. Reserve our right to walk on the sidewalk here. Nice cars. A little expensive. More than I would want to pay, but you know. Nice. Look what that building has. Another building over here behind it. Alright, shall we try this one more time? NY Tyrant Hunter here. Again, doing a First Amendment audit on just in time. I don't know. I guess they sell cars and fix cars. I'm guessing they must fix cars over there, right? They probably, because it looks like that's like their garage. I'm guessing I probably can't walk up to the door because that would be private property, but I don't know. This looks pretty cool. Let's not jaywalk this time though. Let's be peaceful, I guess. Actually cross the street. It's looking good. Just waiting to walk. That's right! 607! Come on, little hand change so I can cross the damn street. What's your problem? Always blasting off on the babe. Yeah, sorry about the car noise, guys. I'll have to figure something out about that down the line here. Damn, this thing still says I can't walk. That is, don't want me crossing the street today or something. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice truck. While I'm standing here waiting, I guess I can just go back, pan over here, and keep doing this until it says I can cross the street safely, I guess. This is the neighborhood. Nobody's really out doing anything today. Damn, I still can't cross the street. Alright, but make a break for it. Well, there's no cars and no traffic. It says service on this side. Oh, yeah, there it is. Just in time, right? There it is. Well, nobody's bothering me. I saw the guys look at me, but they didn't really say anything. They just kind of nodded their head. Well, no interaction with anyone. That's a surprise, I guess. Stand on this side and get a good view.
What are you filming?
What's that?
What are you filming?
I'm doing a story.
Story?
Yes, sir. See? I don't know, man. Maybe people in my area are just more respectful. I mean, I got that guy on video. He saw me. He was chill. He was just like, you know, I walked by the first time. He gave me a little, you know, what's up? Love it. Freedom, baby. Well, guess I'm just going to cut this one short. I know a lot of these guys. I don't know, I don't really see them showing their face and stuff, but you know. Let's see. Yeah, I guess we're free to go. Must be their personal vehicles right there, or something. These ones don't have plates on them, so I'm guessing these ones probably getting fixed. Go ahead and guess they're probably just getting fixed or something. That one looks like the front of mine. Look at that thing. Holy shit. Well, nobody came out, nobody questioned me, nobody bothered me this time. So, we're gonna cut this, I guess, a little short and call it a wrap, and I don't know, maybe go do another one today or see what happens tomorrow. Alright, later.